everyone, I'm Madilyn, and today I'm going to teach you how to make butter. I'm making my butter in a butter churner, but you can do yours in a stand-up mixer or even a plastic bag. To make butter, you need room temperature heavy whipping cream, After about 5 minutes of my churning, it's already starting to turn into whipping cream. We're about halfway there. So now that we've churned our whipping cream for a while, it's turned into butter and buttermilk. So we're going to take our buttermilk and pour it into this glass jar to save for other recipes like biscuits or scones. And then we're going to pour our butter into this cold water so we can rinse it. So now that we've finished our butter, we can put it into a butter dish or we can keep it in a sealed container in the fridge and it will keep up for 2 weeks. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do because this butter and buttermilk are delicious.